The Unwanted, Chapter 10, Part 2, May 11th. I'm not sure I want your house anymore, Kuhan. His teasing caught her like a knife. Please let me go. I have responsibilities to my elderly parents and to my young children. They have done nothing against you or the government, Mr. Tren. Think about them. Think about the new life inside me and spare us this time. If I die, they all will die with me. He reached into the front pocket of his shirt for the keys. As he opened the cell door for her, he whispered in her ear, "It is very wise for you to come to this decision, Kuhan. You got yourself a deal. The house for your life. You get out of this town, get away from me, take your family, and make a fresh start someplace else, where no one knows you and hates you the way we do here. Get out by tomorrow or face the consequences. You have 24 hours to get ready. Understand?" He turned to the policemen and said to them in an authoritative manner, "Listen up, comrades. I let this woman go because she has shown genuine regret about her wayward pre-revolution life by giving up her only possession, her house, to the government. She is a positive example of how forgiving and perceptive our justice system is and always will be. We have successfully turned her from a bloodthirsty capitalist into a productive citizen and an unselfish human being. We expect her to continue to evolve into a better and more prudent resident in this country. Congratulations to you, Kuhan." She ran away from them as fast as she could and didn't pause until she reached her house. The next day was my birthday, but it seemed just as ordinary as the day before or the day after, since nothing would be done to make it any different. We had been back in Nha Trang for almost 72 hours. My family was too busy packing everything we owned to pay any attention to me. Only 10 days had passed since the fall of Saigon, but I felt as though I had accelerated into adulthood with no breaks. We knew we had to vacate the house by May 12th. Just when the furniture was finished being packed and the suitcases were secured and everyone was ready to leave, the front doorbell rang. "The police are here. Kian, open the door to let them in," my grandfather ordered matter-of-factly. I rushed to the entrance and pulled off the plastic parchment covering the big hole where the door used to be. Standing in front of me was not a team of policemen, but rather an unkempt, tired-looking man. His hair had been shaved off, and his scalp shone under the sun. He had a beard, which covered the lower half of his face. The man looked at me and smiled. "Hey, Kian, remember me?" he asked. I recognized his voice the moment he spoke. "It's me. Lum, silly boy. Where's your mother?"